You know you should.
What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Sleepy Six coming at you with another video, man. You see by the title, it's about that time, man. My car didn't come with a remote start, so I've been looking online for a remote start. So if you like to see mods like this continually, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and you'll see more mods, cosmetics, performance, basic mod that should came with the car if you got the other trims. But like me, hey, sometimes you have to, buy this and then go back and put that mod on that car. And then with this mod, I feel like I gained a little bit more than just my factory remote start from what Dodge would have gave me. So this is the company I decided to go with. It's a 12VoltSolution. I heard good things about it, and I'm willing to try it out on my vehicle. You could do. What's up, YouTube? Be back. Sorry for the weird transition. My camera went down. You know how that goes. Act like I didn't want to record, so camera issues. But anyway, I'm back, and this is the box here. As you can see, it comes in a package like this, and let's go ahead and open it. So we got this nice contact numbers, and they tell you think of a person. Got your support website. That's your address. Then we have a mat, a cloth of some sort. See how that goes into it. Then you have your module. This is your app module. It's cool because you can connect your phone to it. So I mean, that's like a plus, Dodge want to charge you like $500 just to get a regular factory remote start, and this one I won't pay like $400, so that's like $100 less, and you could connect your phone with it. So that's a good, right. Then we got our harnesses, and this is where all the fun at. So I'm gonna see how to connect this. Like I said, I'm not a mechanically inclined person, but I am a person that will be willing to learn stuff. So it should be a GUI process. I also come with this block right here. Yeah, see where they're connected. And you got a couple of zip ties. I don't think this is the pattern. But that's all that's come. So I'm gonna put all this stuff together, and I'll be right back with you. The install, I actually was able to achievely put that thing in there. It took some time now, but I have it. I put it in there. So this is the package right here, and I'm just gonna mail it back, and that's gonna be that. So I may put a part 2 of the video, or I may wait VSC. But it wasn't that hard though. I mean, I did it. I know some little methods here and there to get do stuff, and I use it. Trust me. But it wasn't that hard. You could do it yourself. So challenge you. Go ahead. It's not that hard. Go ahead and do it. If you get one of these, this is a 12VoltSolution Volt remote start. So it's only like $400 for the app modules where you get your phone, and you just want a basic just key fob, then it would have been like, I think it was $200 or $300. It was like 3 different options. You know, I went with the highest one because like, yeah. But yeah, so catch you back in a minute and you'll see the actual results of my car. Hello, I'm back again. The results are done. So what you could do, if you could go and see, download this on your Android or your iPhone. It's a car link, so it will allow you to lock your door. This is lock, this is unlock. It makes that sound, and then you can also crank up your vehicle with that. Now this kit, it was $400, so that's what you get, and then you can also shut it off, of course. Also, you can use your key fob too to crank up. You gotta press it 3 times. And it cranks up just like that. So you have your kit done, and you be ready to go. So you be looking real bad, like you tech man, you know, hop in your car. You know what I'm saying? So like, if you like the videos, what I do today, just like and subscribe, comment. Is always welcome. Bad, nigga, whatever. I read them. So I'll be posting videos every Sunday, like I try to. So peace. Till the next one.